For today's learning work, the first thing you're going to do is take the New Deal check-in found in today's folder in Schoology. Once you've completed that, then you're going to open up your learning work document for the Great Depression in Notability. And on the next blank page in Notability, you're going to put the title, The Dust Bowl. And we are going to start looking at not only what the Dust Bowl was, but how it affected the Great Depression or how the Great Depression affected it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to show you an image and you're going to describe what you see in the picture, and then you're going to think about when this picture was taken and where, and what evidence do you have based on the image. So basically you're going to do a little bit of an image analysis where you look at the picture and decide where and when it was taken. Okay, so this is the image that you are going to first of all describe what you see, and then when and where you think this picture was taken and why you think that way. So this is the image. Okay. Once you are done analyzing this image, and once again describing what you see and making a prediction about where and when this photo was taken with evidence, then the next thing you're going to do is go back to your Schoology learning work folder, and you're going to watch two clips. The first one being the Dust Bowl intro, and then the second one, Surviving the Dust Bowl. Okay, as you're watching these clips, I just want you to jot down where this is happening and what you're discovering about the Dust Bowl in particular. And just probably somewhere between 3 to 5 pieces of information that you pick up, including where it happened and what happened there. As always, if you have questions, you can talk to me in class, send me a Schoology message, or set up time to meet with me via WebEx.